In 2026, Ethernet cable selection is no longer just about speed. Today's networks power devices with PoE++. They support multi-gig Wi-Fi 7 access points. They run through tighter, denser pathways than ever before. Choosing a minimum spec cable may look cost-effective, but it can lead to overheating, ME instability, intermittent faults, and even compliance delays. So how do you choose correctly? Why Cat6A is the new baseline? For new commercial projects, Cat6A should be your starting point. It supports 10 gigabit Ethernet up to 100 meters. More importantly, it provides stronger thermal margin and better crosstalk control in dense bundles. For Wi-Fi 7 uplinks, for PoE++ endpoints, for future 10 grams planning, Cat6A reduces long-term risk and extends network lifecycle. In 2026, it's no longer premium, it's practical. Cat5e versus Cat6 versus Cat6, a quick decision. Cat5e works for legacy 1 gram systems, but it offers almost no upgrade headroom. Avoided in new builds. Cat6 can support short multi-gig runs, but 10 grams at full distance is limited, especially under PoE heat. Cat6A delivers full 10 grams at 100 meters with stronger stability. If the project includes Wi-Fi 7 or PoE++, Cat6A is the safer baseline. Shielding strategy UTP, FTP, or S or FTP. As power and density increase, ME becomes more important. UTP fits clean office environments with low interference. FTP is better for Wi-Fi access points and PoE++ devices in moderate ME areas. S or FTP is ideal for data centers, dense cable trays, or industrial spaces with heavy interference. Higher power means shielding matters more. PoE++ and thermal considerations. PoE++ can deliver up to 90 watts. That creates heat, especially in tightly bundled cables. Temperature rise affects long-term stability. For powered devices, build margin, Cat6A, proper shielding, and disciplined cable management prevent heat problems before they start. Fire ratings and compliance. Cable selection also affects inspections. CMPN for plenum airspaces, CMR for risers between floors, CM for general permitted runs, ULSH for low smoke environments. CPR classifications for EU compliance. Choose correctly to avoid costly rework. Solid versus stranded conductors. Solid conductors belong in permanent horizontal cabling. Stranded conductors are for flexible patch cords. Using the wrong type reduces reliability and increases maintenance. 2026 rule of thumb. If your project includes Wi-Fi 7, PoE++, or 10 grams planning, start with Cat6A, then choose shielding and jacket rating based on environment and code. This approach provides better performance margin, lower expansion risk, greater stability in dense pathways, fewer overheating or ME surprises. Final thought. In 2026, cable choice is not just a technical decision. It's a risk management decision. Build with margin. Install with discipline. Design for the future, not the past.